So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover this amazing lab. So simply click on start lab and watch till the end so that you are able to complete the lab without any issue. Now once the lab is successfully started, we'll move forward to just opening the console. So just right click over here and open the link in incognito window. Now from here simply just do one thing. Just come to the VM instance page. You can see here compute engine is there. Click on it. Let me just change the appearance to light mode so that it is visible for everyone. Now from here you have to simply click on create instance. Now let's come to the lab instruction and come to task number 1. Right. Now they have not mentioned the name, but the region is there and the machine series is there. So from here, let me just see. The region is there and zone is also there. We have to update the zone. Okay, always update from the lab instruction. Machine type is E2. Now from here you have to come to the OS section and just change it. From here just change it to Windows Server, and from here we have to select 2022 data center. Okay, so only data center is mentioned, so we'll select this one and we don't have to do any other changes. Now simply click on create. Now wait for the instance to get created. It will take few seconds. Meanwhile, just open any notepad, your personal notepad or any other notepad. So here you can see the instance is now ready. Okay, now simply click on it to activate the Cloud Shell. Come over here and try to check the score for this particular task. So you can see we have got the score because here it is visible. Now you have to scroll down, just copy this command over here. Okay, and just paste on the notepad. Now here we have to add the instance name and the username also. So from here just come to the VM page and just authorize yourself in the Cloud Shell. Minimize it. Double click over here. Now you have to just copy this name from here. Carefully copy it. Just change the name from here to here. Carefully update it. Right. Now username they are asking. So from here just click on set Windows password. And from here just copy it. Okay. So just copy it. And now just copy entire comment, means entire command. Copy it. Paste over here. Hit enter. Just type Y. Hit enter. And here we have to just type N. Okay, carefully do it. So it will take few seconds and finally it is updated and it's successfully done. Let me just see it again. So yes, we got the score. So like this you have to do all the steps. Do not worry and complete the lab without any issue. Thank you. Have a great day.